UK engineers in Kerala to repair stranded British Royal Navy F-35 fighter jet. A British Royal Navy fighter jet, which was stranded at the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport for almost a month, was on Sunday moved to a designated facility for British aviation engineers to take a look at it. Visuals from the airport in Kerala showed the F-35B lighting fighter jet being carefully towed to a hangar, marking the beginning of its repair process. According to airport sources, a team of British aviation engineers will be assessing and carrying out technical work on the advanced stealth aircraft. It was grounded following a technical snag, prompting efforts between Indian authorities and the UK to facilitate repairs. The fighter jet, valued at more than $110 million and known to be one of the most advanced in the world, made an emergency landing at the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport on June 14. It remained grounded at the airport since, awaiting repairs after developing a technical fault. A British High Commission spokesperson confirmed the arrival of the engineering team in India. A UK engineering team has deployed to Thiruvananthapuram International Airport to assess and repair the UK F-35B aircraft, which landed following an emergency diversion, the spokesperson said in a statement, as reported by news agency PTI. The spokesperson said the UK has accepted the offer of a space in the maintenance, repair and overhaul MRO facility of the airport, and are in discussions to finalise arrangements with relevant authorities. Swipe left for next video. The sources, meanwhile, said the fighter jet was moved to the MRO. In line with standard procedure, the aircraft will be moved following the arrival of UK engineers, who are carrying specialist equipment necessary for the movement and repair process, the statement said. The UK remains very grateful for the continued support and collaboration of the Indian authorities and airport teams. Latest blogs.